Today we're going to be looking at how to convert degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. For this conversion, we're going to convert 59 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius. Now, I want to direct your focus up top here to the formula that we're going to use for this conversion. So anytime that you're looking to convert degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius, you can use this formula up top. All you need to do is input the degrees Fahrenheit into the formula. Hint, hint, the quick way to do this would be with a calculator, but we're going to work through this problem by hand. So we're going to rewrite this formula down below. Inside of our parentheses, we have 59 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32, and then outside of the parentheses, we have divided by 1 and 8/10. So according to the order of operations, the first thing that we need to do here is we need to figure out inside of the parentheses. So we're going to subtract 32 from 59. So when we subtract 2 from 9, we're left with 7. And then when we subtract 3 from 5, we're left with 2 for 27. So now let's rewrite out this formula. We have 27 being divided by 1 and 8/10. So let's set up this division problem. We have 27 being divided by 1 and 8/10. Now, anytime that you're dividing a whole number by a decimal, we need to make sure first that the decimal is converted into a whole number, because we can't work through this division problem unless we're dividing 27 by a whole number. So we're going to convert this decimal into a whole number by multiplying it by 10, because that's going to shift the decimal place once to the right. So we need to make sure that we do the same thing to the inside as well. We're going to multiply 27 by 10, which is going to give us 270. Now let's rewrite this division problem so we have a bit more space to work through it. So we have 270 being divided by 18. So working through the division steps from left to right, we can't make a group of 18 out of 2, so we're going to move from left to right and think, how many groups of 18 can we make out of 27? Well, we can make one group of 18 out of 27, and then when we multiply 1 times 18, we get 18, and then when we subtract 18 from 27, we're left with 9, and then we're going to bring down the digit that's immediately to the right of the place that we've just divided, giving us 90. Now we're going to think, how many equal groups of 18 can we make out of 90? Well, we know that we can make 5 equal groups of 18 out of 90, so then we're going to multiply 5 times 18, which gives us 90, and then when we subtract 90 from 90, we're left with 0. So we're done with this division problem. So when we convert 59 degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius, we get 15 degrees Celsius. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.